Welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up the page layout in MS Word. That is an essential step for professional academic or thesis writing. So let's get started. We need to go to layout here. In the page setup, we will have several options: margins, orientation, size, columns, then breaks, line numbers, and hyphenation. First of all, we can set the margins. There are several predefined margins that we can use. In general, most of the times we use 1 inch margins for all the sides. Other margins also can be used. Our custom margins, we can set the custom margins: top, bottom, left, right, 1 inch. Here gutter means we need to provide some additional space for the binding purpose. In general, it is kept at 0.5 inch, but it can be changed as per requirement. Two different positions we can fix. If we have to bind from the top, then we can choose top, otherwise left. Then orientation, portrait and landscape. We can choose portrait. Here if you want to take printout on both sides, then you can choose mirror margins for taking the printouts on the both sides. And in that case, rather than left right, we will have inside outside. Inside is kept around 1.5 inch, that will be around 3.8 centimeter. Outside is 1 inch, that is okay. In even page, right side margin is larger, and in the odd page, left side margin is larger. Orientation we have already seen: portrait and landscape. This is landscape and this is portrait. Then size. In general, in most of the cases, A4 size is used. Here width is 21 centimeter and height of the page is 29.7 centimeter. Other sizes can also be used, or we can use custom size. Here we can change the width and height. This custom size can be used for the whole document or can be used from a particular point. Then columns, this is single column. We can use 2 columns, 3 columns, this way. Then come to the breaks. Here we have two options: page breaks and section breaks. Page breaks are used when we want to keep the same formatting, same page layout, then we use page breaks. Section breaks are generally used when we need a different page layout. For example, I want to break this page from this place. I want to break. So just put the cursor at particular place. From where you want to break, go to breaks, page. In this case, formatting will remain same, page layout. For example, for this page, I want a double column. Even this page is also being affected. Press Ctrl plus Z. Now next we will go to section breaks. Now again let's check with 2 columns. As you can see that formatting for this page is not changing, but it is changing only for this page and later also. If you want the formatting for a particular page only, then again you can use section break. Ctrl plus Z, section break. And from here also section break. Now again let's check for this page only. I want to use landscape. Now you can see that the formatting is working for a particular page. column only for a single page, right? Control plus Z. So this is the major difference between page breaks and section breaks. Next is column. This is used for breaking the column. For example, I want to use two columns and I want to break the text from here. Put your cursor at the particular place, go to breaks and column. So this part will go to the next column, right? Similarly, we can do this one, continuous. Even page and odd page, these also can be used. For example, I want to break the page from here. So next page will be appearing from the even page. If I use even page breaking, let's check, see, page 1 and page 2. But if I break from here, then it will not appear from page 3, but it will appear from the page 4. If I use even page break, see, page 4 is coming, page 3 will not be there, right? In the same way, we can use odd page. In that case, odd page will appear. Then line numbers. There are several styles for the line numbers. Continuous, restart each page, restart each section, suppress for the current paragraph. So as per requirement, we can use. In the last, hyphenation. There is no hyphenation in the right, but we can use automatic and manual. So in this way you can easily set the page layout. So that's all. Thanks for watching.